Layle by Mail, and I am back to share a brand new layout kit. This one uses the super fun and bright Crafty Girl collection from Simple Stories. So it's a layout kit, and it makes 3 double page 12 by 12 spreads along with 1 single 12 by 12. So 10 pages in all. We will take a look at the contents of the kit after we take a look at the spreads. So this is the first spread, and it has room for 2 4 by 6, actually 4 4 by 6 photos, and lots of paper and elements, so the 3 by 4 and 4 by 6, a couple of cut files that I created for the kit, chipboard, stickers, just tons of stuff. I mean, you can kind of get a feel for the collection here. Just a really great, fun kit to put your layouts together, all about all of the crafting you do, whether you're going to crops or classes with girlfriends, doing things at home with family members. It's just a really great collection to kind of document all of your crafty projects. So here's the second spread. Again, more 4 by 6, chipboard, lots of great die cuts and so forth. So that's the second spread. And then the third spread involves some fussy cutting, which some of you that have done taken my classes before and done some of my kits, you know that's one of the things I like to do is fussy cutting. So we'll take a look shortly at one of the papers that we kind of use to really put together that layout. So there is your third spread, 2 4 by 6s, 3 4 by 4s. And the last bonus spread, I actually had quite a bit of product left over. So I made this single 12 by 12 spread as well. But you also have tons of product left over when you are done putting together the layout. So you could put together a coordinating page for that. Or you could, you know, just kind of keep going and do cards and different pages and so forth. So as always, the kits include the color step-by-step instructions. So you have everything that you need there to put those layouts together. The kit includes a package of the Crafty Girl chipboard. So fun, you guys. Look at how fun that sewing machine is. The paints, different paints, cameras, glue sticks, a planner, lots of fun things. These are the bits and pieces. Bits and pieces are always super popular, but I love that one. Isn't that fun? That's one of those little like tomato pin cushions. Lots of pieces. So that one includes 55 pieces. The cut files, oh yeah. Anyway, cut file I put together for that, and then the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and lots of great icons again that you see included there, and the word strips are always a fun one. And this one, I love this paper. This rainbow paper is the base of one of the spreads. A couple different element papers upside down there. So using the front of that element paper, and then actually the back side as one of our spreads. But this one, this pretty paper right here, this is what I use to do some of the fussy cutting on. Let me grab the layout again. On this guy. So sometimes we look at a paper like this and think, oh my gosh, it's beautiful, but super busy. What do I do with it? So we'll do a lot of fussy cutting for that layout. And these cute girls that are kind of the basis of that Crafty Girl collection. And I use both of the back sides of this for layouts, bases, and some 4 by 4 elements. Or else you're going to use some of those fun buttons. 4 by 6 elements. That gorgeous watercolor that is kind of the signature of that Crafty Girl collection. And then 2 sheets of Basil white cardstock. So we have that for the base of another set of layouts. So that is the Get Your Crafty On layout kit from Layle by Mail. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the water rises,